So here are the data for the toddlers and their vocabulary. The data are entered in the very first column in the data view. If I go to the variable view, the variables entered have been defined as the vocabulary. The label is vocabulary of toddlers. The measure is scale. You go to analyze. Here we are comparing means. And the means we are comparing is the one sample t-test. So select that and this pop-up shows your variables are listed to the left. You need to move it under the test variable column. So you do that by using the middle arrow to move it from the left to the appropriate place under the test variables column. The next thing is to enter your population mean for the vocabulary. And for this problem, the population mean was giving us 210 words. That is what you type into the test value box. So that's 210. We have the variables under the right column, that is the test variables column, and then the test value is given in the appropriate place as 210. That's all we need. We press OK to analyze it, and this is our analysis. The t-test was 1.524, but the most important thing we look for is the significance, and here we got 0.156. This is what we compare to the conventional alpha level of 0.05. And if this is greater than 0.05, we know that this t value is not statistically significant. And that is exactly what we see. 0.156 is much bigger than 0.05. So this t value of 1.524 is not statistically significant. That is telling us that the vocabulary of the toddlers who underwent the vocabulary training program was not statistically different from that for the ordinary 2-year-old toddler who does not undergo any vocabulary training program. So essentially, the program did not have its intended effect. That is the interpretation of this analysis.